Hi there, welcome to another video for Junior Cert High Level Maths. We're continuing with statistics and different ways of displaying our data. And now we'll talk about bar charts. So bar charts will be quite familiar to most of us. You'd see them quite commonly in newspapers and on the news. The important things to remember when designing a bar chart are your axes must be labelled. So you must label which axis is your frequency and which axis represents the bar categories themselves. So in this first example, the number of pictures remembered is along the x-axis and the frequency is along the y-axis. The second thing is all the bars must be the same width. So they're either all going to be 1 box wide or 2 boxes wide or 3 boxes. Each bar will be the same. And the gaps between each bar must also be the same. So that's quite important. Examining this first bar chart then, we can read it off quite easily, and that's what makes them useful for displaying data. That the number of pictures remembered, 5 pictures. One person remembered 5 pictures because that block is only 1 high. 6 pictures remembered. 2 people remembered 6 because it goes up as far as 2 blocks, 2 on the frequency. And so on. 10 pictures remembered. That was by 7 people. They remembered 10 pictures. Some different representations of bar charts then. They can be double bar charts, which can be quite useful for comparing 2 pieces of data. Like here they're comparing the morning time with the evening. So one bar represents the morning and the bar beside it represents the evening on the same day. And you can get a very good comparison of what's happening. The range, again, I'll just mention from above, will be your highest value, take away your lowest value. So the 10 pictures remembered is our highest value and 5 pictures remembered is our lowest value. So the range will be 5. And the mode would be whatever number of pictures was remembered the most. So that would be 10 pictures because that was remembered 7 times at a frequency of 7. Another way of displaying them could be going horizontally. So this is why it's so important to have the axes labeled, because now our frequency is going along the x-axis and our bars are labeled on the y-axis. So just if you see one like that, that can also be a possibility. Most of the time they will be in a traditional bar chart such as this. That's bar charts. Hope you found that useful.